Hold on to your hats, folks, because the future of transportation has arrived and it's looking skyward. China, always a powerhouse of innovation, has officially given the green light to flying taxis. That's right, those futuristic vehicles we've only seen in movies are now a reality in the bustling skies of Chinese cities. This is huge news, people. And it signifies a seismic shift in how we think about getting around. The world is watching as China paves the way for a new era of urban mobility. This isn't just some pie-in-the-sky concept anymore, it's happening. The Chinese government clearly sees the potential of this technology and they're not wasting any time in making it a reality. I can't help but feel a surge of excitement thinking about the possibilities. Imagine bypassing those clogged streets, zipping above the traffic in your very own flying machine. It sounds like something straight out of the Jetsons, doesn't it? Well, buckle up, because the future is about to get a whole lot more interesting. So, who are the brave pioneers leading this aerial revolution? Two companies have emerged as frontrunners in China, both receiving coveted commercial licenses to operate these passenger drones. EHang, with its impressive autonomous aerial vehicle, the EH-216, and Autoflight, known for its sleek V400 model, are the trailblazers in this exciting new field. These innovative companies have poured their hearts and souls into developing these airborne marvels, and now they're seeing their hard work pay off. The EH-216, with its distinctive egg-shaped design, can carry up to 2 passengers. It's already completed thousands of successful test flights, proving its reliability and safety. Then there's Autoflight's V400, a sleek and stylish flying car that combines the best of both worlds. Imagine cruising down the highway and then, with the push of a button, lifting off into the sky. The V400's ability to transition seamlessly from road to air makes it a game changer in the world of personal transportation. But wait, there's more. Across the Pacific, the United States isn't about to be left behind in this race for the skies. American ingenuity is alive and well, with companies like Alef Aeronautics making waves in the flying car market. Their futuristic Model A flying car has been creating quite a buzz, and for good reason. This sleek, low-slung vehicle looks like something straight out of a science fiction film. But it's very real and has already garnered significant attention from investors. With backing from industry giants like Boeing, Alef Aeronautics is poised to take the flying car market by storm. The future is looking bright, or should I say sky high, for these American innovators. It's fantastic to see healthy competition driving progress in this exciting field. With China and the United States leading the charge, the dream of personal flying vehicles is rapidly becoming a reality. Hold on tight, because things are about to get very interesting. Section 4. Transforming urban landscapes. Now, let's talk about the implications of all this for our cities. The advent of flying taxis and cars is going to revolutionize urban planning as we know it. Imagine cities no longer choked by traffic, with people zipping about in the sky. This isn't just about convenience, it's about creating more livable, efficient, and sustainable urban environments. Think about the possibilities. Rooftop landing pads could become the norm, freeing up valuable ground space for parks, pedestrian zones, and green spaces. Buildings could be designed with vertical takeoff and landing in mind, completely changing the face of our skylines. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. This technology has the potential to reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about creating a more interconnected, efficient, and sustainable future for everyone. Section 5. From sci-fi to reality. It's funny, isn't it? For decades, flying cars have been a staple of science fiction, a symbol of a future that always seemed just out of reach. We've seen them in countless movies, TV shows, and books, always tantalizingly close, but never quite within grasp. But guess what? The future is finally here. What was once the stuff of dreams is now a reality. The ingenuity and determination of engineers and entrepreneurs around the world have turned science fiction into science fact. It's a testament to the power of human innovation and our relentless pursuit of progress. It's enough to make you believe that anything is possible. This is a pivotal moment in human history, a time when we're witnessing a fundamental shift in how we live, work, and travel. The world is changing right before our eyes, and it's incredibly exciting to be a part of it. Section 6, a future unbound by gravity. So what does the future hold for transportation? If the current trends are anything to go by, it's going to be a wild ride. The sky is no longer the limit, literally. We're entering a new era of mobility, one where transportation is no longer bound by the constraints of gravity. Imagine a future where you can summon a flying taxi with a tap on your smartphone, soaring above traffic jams and congested roads. Picture yourself commuting to work in your personal flying car, enjoying breathtaking views of your city. This is the future that awaits us, and it's closer than you might think. The transportation revolution is here, and it's taking us to new heights. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready for takeoff, because the future is looking up.